We'll guide you through how to integrate Trello and Slack seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Slack workspace on your desktop and head to the Slack app directory. You can find this by clicking on the More menu indicated by 3 dots in the left-hand sidebar, then selecting Apps. In the search bar at the top, type Trello and hit Enter. Once you find Trello, click on it, and then press the Add to Slack button. You'll be prompted to authorize Trello to access your Slack account, so click Allow. Now, you'll need to link your Trello account to Slack. A new window will pop up asking you to log in to Trello if you're not already signed in. Enter your Trello credentials and authorize the connection. Once that's done, you'll return to Slack where you can now use Trello commands directly within your channels. To use Trello in a Slack channel, type Trello link and select the board you want to link to the channel. You can now create cards, assign tasks, and get Trello updates all within Slack by using simple Slack commands like Trello Add to create a new card or Trello List to see your board's cards. This integration helps streamline project management by keeping communication and task tracking all in one place. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.